Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your iPad with a PS4 controller. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 controller has enough battery life for uninterrupted gaming. Next, open your iPad settings and navigate to the Bluetooth menu, ensuring it is active. You will then prepare your controller for pairing, which is a simple 2-button press. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection and an enjoyable gaming session. To pair your controller, simultaneously press and hold the Share button and the PlayStation button located in the center of your controller. Keep holding them until the light bar on the back of your controller starts flashing quickly. On your iPad, you should see DualShock 4 wireless controller appear in the Bluetooth devices list. Tap on it to complete the pairing process, and the light bar will turn solid blue. Once your controller is successfully paired, open the PUBG Mobile application on your iPad. Inside the game, you'll need to access the Settings menu, which is typically represented by a small gear icon. Within the settings, look for the Controls or Basic tab. Here, you should find an option to enable or adjust controller support. Activating this will allow the game to recognize your PlayStation 4 controller for gameplay. Playing PUBG Mobile with a PlayStation 4 controller offers a significantly enhanced experience. You'll notice much more precise aiming and smoother character movement, giving you a competitive edge. The physical buttons allow for quicker reactions during intense firefights, improving your overall combat efficiency. This setup truly transforms your mobile gaming into a console-like experience, making every match more immersive and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.